Top of mind right now, a big concern for many homeowners is how protected their property is during heavy storms like what we saw today. 12 News reporter Gloria Walker went on a ride-along with Beaumont's DD6 to see firsthand how they prepare for storms. She saw everything from dispatching crews to keeping an eye on rainfall totals. She joins us live tonight, and Gloria, there are many tools to help keep Southeast Texas safe.
Well, Brenda, as rain continues here in Southeast Texas, the head engineers at Drainage District 6 say they're not worried about the rain due to the work they put in all year to keep your home safe.
Come out and monitor, make sure all the pipes are flowing. Need to make sure the floodgates are in good working order.
DD6 is keeping a watchful eye on rainfall levels, which tells them on wet weeks like this one where to send crews to monitor retention ponds and basins.
He goes out and monitors our detention basins, makes sure their gates are operating properly, the spillways are operating properly. All
to make sure water doesn't hit at your door. 12 News rode along with the team to some of the hot spots prone to flooding.
Everything should be good. I mean, like I said, these ponds work really well in rains like this.
The work doesn't just start when it rains, but it's really the work they do all year round that helps prevent flooding. Chief Operating Officer Doug Canant says when it rains hard, it's a good time to check in on their newer projects, the projects that haven't been tested by the Southeast Texas rainstorm.
We've done, I don't know, 8 or 9 projects, say, in the last 2 years. And some of them have been tested and some of them hadn't. Like the first place I'm going to run is over to some detention basins we put over here on Washington in the Blossom Edition.
Projects that are here to help keep water flowing out of your homes and streets. Crews will continue to monitor rain levels and see what is happening here in Jefferson County, but they don't expect anything too dangerous. Reporting live in Beaumont, Gloria Walker, 12 News.